Everybody all now is vlogger. Yeah, Filipino, Indian, Bangladesh, all nationality now is vlogger. You know why? Because those influencer having million of followers and posting their income. So one of the example is Boy Tapang vlog. Yes. So how much he got the salary last July 23? Guys, imagine 29,377.20 dollars. Yes. So he has 5 million followers in Facebook. Guys, this salary is from Facebook. But this person, its account is already removed by Facebook because content which is not aligned with the Facebook guidelines. So we need to be careful, guys, especially when our account is growing. We need to follow the Facebook community guideline. Otherwise, Facebook will totally remove or totally ban our account if we are not following Facebook community guidelines. So imagine, guys, some big content creator is getting salary like this big amount. Imagine. So that's why no wonder all people now are influencer or vlogger. So Filipino, Bangladesh, Indian, all nationality now are vlogger. Oh my god. Okay guys, if you like my video, please don't forget to follow, like, and share. Thank you so much and have a nice day.